Hello everyone, welcome to Chesspedia. We are now looking at example 3 of Capablanca's book Chess Fundamentals. Here we have two bishops and we have to do a checkmate. This is a simple example where the opposite king is already at the corner. So it's a bit easier. The logic is we have to go to the 6th rank and G and H file with our king and restrict mobility using our bishops. Okay. Just in case the opposite king had been in the center, then we would have followed with our king like we have done in the rook example and then restrict mobility with the bishops. So we'll just play it out and we have to be careful in these endings because there is chance of stalemate. So let's play. Restricted the squares. Again restricted the squares. Now the king is limited to a particular area, a top right section of the board. So now we can push it again, bring our king. Okay. So now this bishop can be protected. The light squared bishop can be protected by a king. So we have further used it to restrict the square. We can bring the dark squared bishop also here and restrict further square, which we'll see in the next scenario. So we brought the king here, limited this square also. This is a waiting move. Now why we played this waiting move? Because had we played it like this, that would have been a stalemate. So be careful. That's why this waiting move have been played. Now we restrict this square f8. Waiting move again. Check. Checkmate. I hope this is clear to you. Now we look at another variation where I said we can restrict by a bishop also. That's a very important concept. Like this pattern, remember, when two bishops are side by side, this is very important pattern to checkmate a king. How? Let's see earlier what we have done. We brought one bishop here, so this king was restricted further. We can bring another bishop here and restrict further, right? Previously we have brought the king like this. But instead of king, what we can do is we can bring the bishop like this. So this pattern again cannot be attacked, limit further. Give a waiting move, check, checkmate. Now understand this concept and pause for a few seconds and imagine if the opposite king has been at the center, how you will play the checkmate. Welcome back everyone. I hope you were able to solve the example when king is at the center. Let's play it out. Position, position. We are pushing it back. So it has been restricted to a corner side of the board. We protect our bishop just like we protected our rook earlier. Further limit the squares. Further limit this square, so it has to go towards the corner. Now further limited this diagonal, so it has only two squares now for movement. Check. Checkmate. I hope this example is clear to you all. If there are any particular kind of videos or any suggestion, please write us in the comments. Thank you.